In today's video, I'm going to teach you about how to automatically close shapes when drawing them in AutoCAD. Let's dive into one of those simple yet effective techniques that can save you time and effort when working on your projects in AutoCAD. Imagine you're working on a drawing, perhaps sketching out some architectural detail or designing a small component. You're using lines or polylines to create the structure of your design. As you progress, you might find yourself needing to enclose the shape by drawing a final side that connects to the starting point. This is where AutoCAD's close command comes in handy, a tool that can seamlessly complete your shape for you. Here's how it works. You've been working meticulously, drawing out your shape line by line. Now, as you approach the point where you need to enclose this form, instead of manually connecting your last line to the beginning point, there's a more efficient way. You can simply employ the close command. All you need to do is type CL into the command line and press Enter. With this action, AutoCAD will automatically draw your last line, connecting it back to the very first point where you started. This effectively closes out your shape without any additional fuss. This is a fantastic little trick for streamlining your workflow. It reduces the hassle of manually connecting points, which can sometimes involve meticulous zooming and aligning. Not to mention, using CL can minimize errors that might occur if you're trying to eyeball the final connection. Embracing this method can greatly enhance your efficiency, especially when working on complex projects with multiple shapes that need closing. The more you integrate this command into your routine, the more time you'll discover you are saving. You'll have more flexibility to focus on the broader aspects of your design, rather than getting bogged down in repetitive tasks. So, the next time you're constructing shapes in AutoCAD, remember this clever shortcut. By simply typing CL, you can quickly and efficiently close your shapes, leaving you extra time for refinement and other aspects of your project. This is just one of many tools in AutoCAD designed to make your drafting experience smoother and more enjoyable. Thanks for tuning in today, and make sure to apply this technique the next time you're working on a shape in AutoCAD. As always, happy designing, and see you in the next video.